Hi guys, it's Keith Arkenberg Farms, and it is about the first week of September 2020. It's been a long, hot, exhausting season, so now it's time for my favorite part of the year, which is to go load up the farm van and go on a road trip. Well, mini vacation. Come along, I'll show you. Okay, we're heading down the driveway right now, and we are getting out of here, off to our first stop. Alright, made our first stop, and we picked up Cassidy. So now Nicholas has a buddy for the rest of the vacation. We had Cassidy and Nicholas, my wife and me, and we're heading down the road. We'll be there in about 3 hours, make a couple pit stops on the way. I'll show you when we get there. Okay, so after about a 4-hour drive, made it to our destination. We're down at the Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. There's a lake right there. We rented a house right on the lake through Airbnb. Got a couple bedrooms back here. Got another one down through that treacherous door down there. Nice little back porch here. Got a nice overview of the water. Apparently we're on a fairly busy piece of water, just judging by the amount of car or boats that go by. Last night really didn't do much. Just kind of got here, got settled in, ate, sat around, relaxed, watching TV and stuff. Today it rained all morning up until about 2 or 3 o'clock when the sun finally came back out. So we came down, got out the paddle boat, the kayak, got another one right here. They're all for use with the rental here. Went out on the water, show you right here, because I didn't get any video, I just took a picture. I'm doing a little fishing, caught one channel cat. Got some bait for tonight. But yeah, so far it's been pretty good. I think it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow though, so let's kind of see how the weather goes with that. Other than that, probably gonna go to a cave, maybe go back out on the water, do some swimming again tonight. But I mean, see behind me, we're in somewhat of a busy chunk of water here. I don't know where they're going or what they're doing, but they're constantly driving by. So, show you all what we're doing tomorrow, or maybe later on tonight. We'll see. Got a nice little one. Ain't too big. We're just gonna throw him back. Alright, time to catch another.
Guys, so I just decided to pick up my dad's phone and record some footage of us swimming. So here's some footage. Here's us swimming. So much fun. I don't know what I'm doing. Right, Cass?
What?
I don't know what I'm doing. There's my dad right there.
Hi.
I'm zoomed in on you.
You zoomed in on me?
Yeah. So yeah, we're just swimming and having fun. I got out because, you know, I wanted to get out. yeah, we're just swimming and having some fun. We're just swimming and having fun. Yeah, and today's our last day at the house on a vacation. Tomorrow we have to leave. Right, Cass?
What?
Tomorrow we have to leave.
Yeah.
Sad. Real sad. Am I right or am I right? This has been fun. Like real fun. Right, Cassidy?
Yeah.
So
And we're having cookies tonight.
yeah. So who knows who will show up the next time the camera turns on.
Oh no, I just remembered I can't swim.
Got a life jacket.
Yeah, Cass, you have a life jacket.
I still
But yeah.
can't swim.
We'll see who turns back on the camera. Okay. Bye. Hello there.
This place has been fun. Been here for 3 days now. Tonight's our last night. Then we're heading back towards the farm. Gonna make a couple stops on the way. I'll just hop up when we do it. So I'll see you then. So we took a detour, stopped at an orchard real quick, picked some apples. Nice little small orchard off of I-70 here. So stopped at a nice little orchard here. Nice little small orchard, a couple hundred trees at most. Some asparagus, some little strawberry patches and everything's around. Got a bunch of apples and peaches and some Asian pears. Ooh, here's a real good tree right here. Yeah, pretty nice. Now we're gonna get heading back home. Well, that was a nice relaxing vacation. Really didn't do much while we were out. We was gonna go to a cave and end up being closed. Went by the next day and they're still closed, so we just decided to come back. See, mainly we just relaxed and really didn't do much anything the whole time we were out there, which was great. Farm kept running because of the crew we have built this year, and we picked up a new mascot. Hey buddy, come here. New farm dog, Buddy. He's gonna get really big, hopefully protect the livestock. So, well, I hope y'all like what you saw today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.